The roof is leaking. What are you gonna do? First step is containment. Get a trash can under it. Get a bucket. Second step, can you divert the water, the water diverter kit, into a hose and down into a floor drain or a sink or in a bucket. When it stops raining, go ahead, see if you could find the hole and plug it.
This is an outpatient surgery center. We have a roof leak going over one of the operating rooms the other day. I did find some flashing. As you can see, it's a rock ballast EPDM rubber roof here. So I did find some holes in the flashing. This, of course, is not a professional repair. It rained so hard a couple days ago that all the roofers are busy and scheduled out, and we're in the queue to get a repair. But I needed to do something as a facility maintenance guy in case it rains again. We don't have water dripping on somebody who's trying to get their surgery done. So I did use a silicone putty, and I've used this before, and it will work temporarily. And I do believe that this is where the water came in and got underneath the rubber. This area here is the operating room, and the high point in this flat roof is right here. So it divides. So this section goes to that roof drain over there, and if I step over here, it's pitched down to that roof drain. So this is exactly why I think this being exposed to the elements, and I mean it rained like we've had tornadoes on Monday in DuPage County. That's where we're at in the Chicagoland area. But I just wanted to make sure that we didn't have anything else going on in this area before we get a good certified roofer to take a look at it. But this area is usually wet, and it is wet today. As you can see, this is condensate from a rooftop unit, 100-ton cooling unit. So I do not believe that we have a puncture or a tear or a seam coming up. I've seen a couple seams so far. They all look good. Plus, this area is staying wet. The leak would just continue. So I'm rest assured, as much as I possibly can, that flashing there was the problem. That hole there was the problem.
This roundish river rock does a couple things. Weighs down the rubber, because I don't believe it's glued down. And secondly, and more importantly, it protects the rubber from the UV light and protects it from deteriorating the rubber. And 3 days after the leak, we got the final repair.
By the way, my name is Tom. I'm a facilities maintenance tech. I really appreciate you watching the video to the end. If you got any value out of this, please hit the like button on the way out and consider subscribing. And watch over here a video on a leak diverter kit. I'll see you on the next one.